Good evening, everyone. Welcome to closing comments here on October 8th. Let's jump right into our charts and see what happened in the markets today. For starters here, we got our December live cattle on the board. We see this cattle market continue its rally here today as we've had 3 nice days of upside here across this cattle market. This December contract picking up some nice gains here and finishing the day up there at 239, continuing this nice strong rally we've had this week. However, this December contract is the weakest of the bunch here. December and February being the only 2 live cattle contract months that didn't make new all-time highs today, but still posting some nice gains here, and we should see them start to print new all-time highs here before the week is over. But if we look out here starting in April 26 out through December 26, we did see a nice strong push into new all-time highs here and finished the day up there at new highs. So this is a really good sign for these live cattle markets as we look out into 2026, showing good strength all the way out there into year end. So look for this cattle market to continue pushing, and we should see these front month contracts see new all-time highs here before the week is up. Next up, November feeders. Today we had another nice day in the feeder market, picking up another $4 or $5 along the way. Pretty strong week here so far, opening up above that 356 bull pivot, and we've just had 3 nice steady days of gains here as we picked up about $14 along the way. Knocking on the door, 370 up there. Look for this rally to keep on pushing, and we should see these feeders start heading up there towards $4. So look for this rally to continue pushing into the end of the week. Also looking out here into these winter and spring contract months, also seeing some nice all-time highs all the way down the line. Feeder markets rolling. We should see this cattle market just keep on cruising up there into those new all-time highs in uncharted territory. Next up, December corn futures. Not a whole lot of excitement still here in this corn market as we continue just to chop around the 420 mark. Today we just picked up a little bit of the losses that we saw yesterday, but no meaningful moves here in this corn market. As long as we're trading here between 415 and 430, look for this choppy action to continue and this market just to continue bouncing around here. Until we get a close beyond either one of these edges, we shouldn't see much directional movement, and should be a really slow, choppy, and low volatility environment here in this corn market. Crude oil prices continued with the upside above 62 today. However, we did see some rejection at that 20-day moving average. Nice long wick up there, pushing this market back down there near the lows at the close of the day. And so far here in the evening session, we're seeing this thing flip back down here below 62.12. And looks like we could see this downside get back underway here. Look for these oil prices to continue pushing back down towards 61.5. If we trade below 61.45, look for this thing to keep on pushing down into the 50s. Next up, equity markets, just snapping right back to new all-time highs here today. The S&P posted nice gains, getting back there with a finish above 6,800, holding that 67.54 bear pivot, which was last Friday's low. Good support down there and a nice rally back above the bull pivot, finishing the day up here at new all-time highs. Look for these equity markets to keep on pushing. Have a very strong environment right now for stocks. We should see these prices continue to rally. The Dow, however, has been lagging here as it continues to chop up in this range right around 47,000. Multi-day range here so far this week, just kind of chopping sideways. NASDAQ leading the way here with a nice strong day. Equity markets should start to pull those Dow stocks along with it, and we should see these equity indexes head back to or just keep on grinding into new all-time highs. So look for this uptrend to keep on grinding. Stay long and strong. That's all we got for tonight. We'll catch you guys tomorrow night. Thank you.